Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can elevate your cooking game, the OXO Good Grips Garlic Press. We found this handy tool online and included a link in the description for those of you interested in checking its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the OXO Good Grips Garlic Press? Simply put, it's a sleek, efficient tool designed to crush garlic cloves with minimal effort. If you've ever struggled with traditional garlic presses that require a lot of strength, you'll appreciate the user-friendly design of this one. It's built to make garlic prep easier and faster, which is a huge plus for any home cook. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the OXO Good Grips Garlic Press. First off, it boasts a sturdy, die-cast zinc construction that promises durability and longevity. Unlike plastic alternatives, this metal design can withstand daily use without the worry of breaking or bending. Another impressive feature is its large capacity chamber. This chamber easily accommodates multiple garlic cloves at once, making it perfect for those recipes that call for a generous amount of garlic. Instead of pressing each clove one by one, you can save time by crushing several at once. One element that sets this garlic press apart from others is the built-in cleaner. After you're done crushing garlic, you can simply push out the peels with the integrated tool. This self-cleaning feature is incredibly convenient and cuts down on the hassle of cleaning up after your cooking sessions. And let's not forget about the soft, non-slip handles. They absorb pressure while you squeeze, ensuring that you can apply just the right amount of force without straining your hands. This is especially beneficial for individuals who may have arthritis or other hand strength issues, allowing everyone to enjoy the joys of cooking with garlic. Now, who is this tool suitable for? If you love cooking with garlic but dread the peeling and crushing process, this press is for you. It's perfect for home cooks of all skill levels, whether you're a beginner looking to spice up your dishes or a seasoned chef who knows that garlic is a kitchen staple. It's especially great for those who prepare meals frequently and want to streamline their prep work. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're whipping up a classic spaghetti aglio e olio or a rich garlic butter sauce for your steak. The OXO Good Grips Garlic Press allows you to quickly and easily add garlic to your dish without the fuss. You could also use it for making homemade garlic bread or your favorite marinades, where garlic plays a starring role. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the OXO Good Grips Garlic Press is an indispensable tool for anyone who loves to cook with garlic. Its durable construction, large capacity chamber, built-in cleaner, and comfortable handles make it a standout in any kitchen. Whether you're a novice or a pro, this tool can help simplify your meal prep and enhance your culinary creations. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.